Bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Espero que se encuentren muy bien. Hoy tendremos una lección en la que estaremos aprendiendo inglés y mejorando tu listening con una pequeña historia.
Sedas y Secretos. In the heart of a bustling city, there was a boutique that time seemed to have forgotten. Its mannequins wore dresses from past eras, and a mystical aura enveloped the place. Three friends, Lía, Valeria, and Mariana, decided to step in out of pure curiosity. Upon touching the dresses, each one felt a whirlwind of emotions. Lía remembered a past love, Valeria felt the forbidden passion of a relationship she'd never lived, and Mariana, the tremor of first love. The elderly owner, with eyes that had seen countless tales, confessed the secret: each garment was enchanted with the love story of its former owner. Inspired, the three friends decided to follow these emotions. Lía sought out her former love and, although the initial passion resurged, they remembered why they ended in the first place. Valeria, on the other hand, found herself entangled in a secret relationship with a married man, eventually finding the courage to walk away. And Mariana, cautious at first, allowed the garment's charm to guide her towards an authentic relationship. But as they followed their hearts, the friends discovered that the garments held not just love, but also pain and loss. Some stories were heartbreaking, others filled with hope. Amid revelations and secrets, they understood that each garment only showed a piece of the story. Love stories intertwined with theirs, unveiling forgotten lessons and hidden truths. Time passed, and the three, having experienced the magic and mystery of the boutique, reunited there once again. Standing in front of the same garments that had changed their lives, they realized that the real enchantment wasn't in reliving past loves, but in discovering self-love. Moral: the true enchantment lies not in magical garments or lost loves, but in the love one gives to oneself, waiting to be discovered and cherished. Before loving another, we must learn to love ourselves.
A continuación, vamos con el vocabulario.
Bustling.
Bulliciosa.
Boutique.
Boutique.
Time.
Tiempo.
Mannequins.
Maniquíes.
Dresses.
Vestidos.
Mystical.
Mística.
Aura.
Aura.
Curiosity.
Curiosidad.
Emotions.
Emociones.
Remembered.
Recordó.
Past.
Pasado.
Passion.
Pasión.
Relationship.
Relación.
Elderly.
Anciana.
Owner.
Dueña.
Secret.
Secreto.
Garment.
Prenda.
Enchanted.
Encantada.
Inspired.
Inspiradas.
Initial.
Inicial.
Entangled.
Involucrada.
Courage.
Coraje.
Charm.
Encantó.
Hearts.
Corazones.
Pain.
Dolor.
Loss.
Pérdida.
Revelations.
Revelaciones.
Truths.
Verdades.
Magic.
Magia.
Enchantment.
Encantó. Eso es todo por el video de hoy. Apreciaría mucho tus sugerencias para que las próximas lecciones sean más útiles para ti. Repite la lección para reforzar tus conocimientos y que puedas notar la diferencia con lo que has aprendido. Me ayudaría mucho si pudieras regalarme un like y suscribirte al canal. Hasta la próxima.